Jai Shri Gurudev, welcome to chemistry classes. So today we are going to continue the extraction of copper from copper pyritic ore. So in that I have already explained concentration of ore. Second one is roasting, and third one is smelting. Third method is smelting, and the fourth one is bessemerization. These are the four methods of four methods of extraction of copper from copper pyritic ore. So first one is concentration of the ore, second one is roasting of the concentrated ore, third one is smelting, and fourth one is bessemerization. So we are going to explain once again smelting. The roasted copper pyritic ore is heated with coke and silica, and it is transferred into a small blast furnace. So the mixture is heated in the presence of excess of hot air. The mixture is heated in the presence of excess of hot air. The following chemical reaction takes place as follows. So the following chemical reaction takes place as follows. So first one is, first reaction is, cuprous oxide reacts with unoxidized ferrous sulfide. Cuprous oxide reacts with unoxidized ferrous sulfide to form ferrous oxide, and cuprous sulfide. Second one, ferrous sulfide is oxidized to ferrous oxide with the liberation of sulfur dioxide gas. 2FeS plus 3O2 is equals to 2FeO plus 2SO. Okay, following chemical reaction takes place as follows. Cuprous oxide reacts with unoxidized ferrous sulfide to form ferrous oxide and cuprous sulfide. Second one, ferrous sulfide is oxidized to ferrous oxide with the liberation of sulfur dioxide. Third reaction is the ferrous oxide, the GAN ferrous oxide, combines with silica, which acts as a flux, to form ferrous silicate slag. FeO plus SiO2 is equal to FeSiO3. So here you can ask one mass question like this. So name the gang present in the extraction of copper from copper pyritic ore. So gang is ferrous oxide, and name the flux, that is silica, and name the slag is ferrous silicate slag, FeSiO3. FeO plus SiO2 is equal to FeSiO3, ferrous silicate slag. These are the three chemical reactions taking place during smelting. The concentrated ore is mixed with coke and silica, and it is transferred into a small blast furnace. So the mixture is heated. So by passing through hot air blast, the following chemical reaction takes place. These are the three chemical reactions taking place in the melting process in a small blast furnace. Okay, the iron silicate slag, this is ferrosilicate, also called as iron silicate slag, is lighter and it is removed. This slag is lighter, so therefore it is removed, and the metal remains in the earth at the bottom of the furnace, and the metal remains in the earth at the bottom of the blast furnace. Copper is produced Copper is produced in the form of copper matte. Copper is produced in the form of copper matte, which contains cuprous sulfide. And traces of ferrous sulfide. So this question has already been asked in the examination, annual examination for 1 mark for so many times. Give the composition of copper matte. So that is a mixture of cuprous sulfide and ferrous sulfide. Okay. So copper is produced in the form of copper matte, which contains cuprous sulfide and so trace amount of ferrous sulfide. This is copper matte. So this is about smelting. And the fourth one is bessemerization. The copper matte produced from smelting. Smelting is transferred into a silica lined. So Bessemer converter. Okay, the copper matte produced from smelting is transferred into a silica lined Bessemer converter. It is so some amount of sand is also added. That is silica SiO2 is added, and a blast of hot air is passed through the Bessemer converter. Some amount of silica, that is sand, is also added, and a blast of hot air is passed through the Bessemer converter. So therefore, so the molten mass, so converts FeO, Fes, Cu2O and Cu2S to molten copper. Okay, the molten mass is present in the copper matte converts CO, Fes, Cu2O and Cu2S, ferrous oxide, ferrous sulfide, cuprous oxide and cuprous sulfide to molten copper. The following chemical reaction takes place as follows. The reaction is 2FeS plus 3O2 2FeO plus 2O2, so 2Cu2S plus 3O2 2 Cu2O plus 2 SO2. Okay, and the third reaction is so FeO hormone combines with silica to form ferrous silicate, and so the cuprous sulfide Cu2S combines with cuprous oxide Cu2S plus 2 Cu2O equals to 6 CO plus SO2. So these reactions are once again repeated, which I have already explained in smelting as well as in roasting of concentrated ore. Okay, so this reaction is important in the bessemerization process. So this is the reaction taking place in the Bessemer converter. Okay, Cu2S combines with CO to form 6CO plus SO2 sulfur dioxide. Okay, so the molten copper obtained as a blistered appearance. The molten copper obtained as a blistered appearance due to the evolution of sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, so molten blistered copper obtained contains 98% copper and 2% impurities. Okay, so the blistered copper obtained as a the copper obtained is called as molten blistered copper. So this is due to the evolution of sulfur dioxide gas. The molten blistered copper contains 68% copper and 2% impurities. impurities. So this is about extraction of copper from copper pyrites ore. Okay. So next is third one is extraction of zinc. Extraction of zinc. Okay, occurrence. Zinc does not occur in the free state because it is a highly reactive element. It does not occur in the free state. It occurs in the combined state. Some of the important ores of zinc are. So first one is zinc blende. Composition of zinc blende is ZnS. Second one is zincite. Composition is ZnO. Third one is calamine. Composition is ZnCO3. So fourth one is willemite. Its composition is Zn2SiO4. So fifth one is franklinite. Composition is ZnO Fe2O3. And sixth one is spinel. Composition is Zn Al2O4. So these are some of the important ores of zinc. So that is zinc blende, ZnS, zincite, ZnO, calamine, ZnCO3, willemite, Zn2SiO4, franklinite, ZnO Fe2O3, spinel, Zn Al2O4. So among these ores, so this is very important. So this ore has already asked, composition of this ore has already asked in the examination. Give the carbonate composition of, give the formula of carbonate ore of zinc. Carbonate ore of zinc is zinc carbonate, or they can also ask. So give the composition of calamine, that is ZnCO3. Okay. So among these ores, so zinc blende and zincite are the chief important ores of zinc, which are largely used in the extraction of zinc metal. So these two ores are used in the extraction of zinc. Okay. So next is extraction of zinc from zinc blende. So extraction of zinc from zinc blende involves three major steps. So first one is concentration of ore. One is concentration of ore. Second one is roasting. And third one is smelting. Third one is reduction. Not smelting. Third one is reduction. Okay. So extraction of zinc from zinc blende involves the following three major steps. So that is, first one is concentration of ore, second one is roasting of concentrated ore, and third one is reduction. Okay. So first one you take concentration of ore. The huge lumps of the ore is made into small pieces. The huge lumps of the ore, that is zinc blende ore, is made into small pieces with the help of jaw crushers, and finally powdered with the help of ball mill or stamp mill, and finally powdered with the help of ball mill. Okay. The huge lumps of the zinc blende ore is made into small pieces, so by means of jaw crushers, and finally powdered with the help of ball mill or stamp mill. The powdered ore is concentrated by gravity suppression method. Powder ore is separated by gravity suppression method, because if oxide ores are used, zinc oxide, you should have to use gravity suppression method, because oxide ores are concentrated by gravity suppression method. Okay, if zinc blende ores are used, if sulfide ores are used for the extraction of zinc, so it is also concentrated by, that is, froth flotation method. Froth flotation process, or if the ore contains iron impurities, like that is franklinite iron impurities, so they are concentrated by electromagnetic suppression. If the ore contains iron oxide, it is separated by electromagnetic suppression. All these three methods are used for the concentration of ore. Okay. So second one is roasting. Okay. The concentrated zinc blende ore is heated in a reverberatory furnace in the presence of excess of air water at a temperature of 1173 Kelvin. Zinc blende is oxidized to zinc oxide. The following chemical reaction takes place as follows. So this is the reaction. So first reaction is 2 ZnS plus 3 O2 is equal to 2 ZnO plus 2 SO2. Okay. Zinc blende is oxidized to zinc oxide into the evolution of sulfur dioxide. Okay. Sometimes zinc sulfide is oxidized to zinc oxide, ZnS plus 2O2 is equal to ZnSO4. Sometimes zinc blende is oxidized to zinc sulfate. Okay. The third one, the zinc sulfate formed is oxidized to zinc oxide, 2ZnO plus 2SO2 plus O2. Zinc sulfate formed on heating gets oxidized to zinc oxide with the liberation of sulfur dioxide gas and dioxygen gas. 2 ZnSO4 is equal to ZnO plus 2 SO2 plus O2. So here sulfide ores are get oxidized to zinc oxide. These are the chemical reaction taking place during roasting. So the mixture is carried out is heated in a blast furnace. Reverberatory furnace. Okay. Sometimes if carbonate ores are used, zinc carbonate ores are used. So zinc carbonate on heating at a temperature of 1173 Kelvin, so gets decomposed to form zinc oxide with the liberation of carbon dioxide. So this is about roasting. So third one is reduction. Okay, reduction. The zinc oxide so obtained in the roasting process on reduction with coke, gets converted to zinc metal. So this is carried out at a temperature of 1673 Kelvin. 1673 Kelvin to 1723 Kelvin. Okay, reduction is carried out by using coke or carbon as a reducing agent, heated at a temperature of 1673 Kelvin to 1723 Kelvin. So zinc oxide on so heating with coke or carbon, so get reduced to zinc metal with the liberation of zinc oxide. The reaction can be written as ZnO plus C heated at a temperature of 1673 to 1723 Kelvin, gets reduced to zinc metal with the liberation of carbon dioxide. Okay, so the zinc oxide, so ore is taken in a fire clay retort and it is made into so briquettes and so treated with coke or clay and heated at a temperature of 1673 Kelvin to 1723 Kelvin in a fire clay retort. So zinc oxide is reduced to zinc metal with the liberation of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Okay. So the zinc metal obtained is called as impure zinc. The zinc metal obtained is called as impure zinc. So zinc, so being volatile, so distills was so leaving behind impurities, and it is corrected by so condensation and rapid chilling. It is corrected by using so condensation and rapid chilling. Okay, so that's about extraction of zinc from zinc plant. Okay, thank you.